Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need a Magsafe-compatible iPhone and a charged Magsafe battery. Once ready, remove thick cases and pockets that block magnetic contact. Place the battery on the center back of the phone and feel for the magnetic snap. This ensures correct alignment and efficient charging. Make sure the battery LED or phone charging indicator lights up. If the pack has a power button, press it to begin. You're starting the process now, so hold the pack steady for 1 or 2 seconds while the magnets seat fully. Once the pack is attached, watch the phone's battery percentage and the pack's LED to confirm current flow. This tells you the how and why of power transfer. If you plan to use the phone heavily, make sure to reduce load, close demanding apps, and lower screen brightness, because lower power draw lets the battery charge more efficiently. Keep an eye on temperature. Magsafe charging slows if things get hot, so if the phone or pack warms up, pause activity or detach for a few minutes to cool and restore normal charging rates. To finish, detach the pack once you reach your target charge and store the battery around 20 to 50% for longer life. Charging fully before storage is unnecessary. Recharge the pack using the included USB-C cable and a compliant adapter. Avoid leaving it plugged overnight habitually. If charging fails, reseat the pack centrally on the phone, inspect the USB-C cable and wall adapter, and make sure the phone's software is up to date. This fix resolves most connection or recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.